So I think it is a new India that we are seeing. I think we are seeing young women spearheading a lot of the achievements, a lot of the excellence, and I think that what we would hope to see, as I said, is that you will always continue to be the kind of vibrant, creative, autonomous individuals that I see here. So again, let me thank the university for giving me this opportunity. I don't know whether your minds have been ignited, but I think all of us on stage, seeing you and having this interaction with you in the morning, you have ignited our minds. And for that, and for the privilege of being here this morning, once again, thank you very much.
That was indeed a profound source of inspiration for students and faculty alike. We are grateful, ma'am, for receiving your time and prudence. Now, we'll officially felicitate the guest of honors and the dignitaries on the dais. May I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, ma'am, to present a memento to the chief guest, please. Dr. Anita, may please also. I request Professor R.K. Singh, Registrar. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all the dignitaries. Now it is time to...
Today, the 2nd August 2018, the launch day of Cisco Incubator program will be remembered as a milestone in the continuous journey of IGT2W towards excellence. This is special for Cisco also, since this is their first incubator launch out of their 5 universities selected for all over India. The very presence of the chief guest, Honorable Ms. Aruna Sundararajan, Secretary Telecom and Chairman Telecom Commission, Ministry of Communications, in today's program is a reflection of the importance that is attached to our commitment towards technology, entrepreneurship and women empowerment. Your enlightening and educative address would continue to ring in our ears and inspire us for a long time. I am sure that under your patronage and guidance, the incubator program and IGT2W at large will be a grand success. We request you to kindly guide us in our other activities at IGT2W. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being with us today morning and blessing us. The IGT2W family is very grateful to our guest of honor, Professor Shyam V. Menon, for gracing the occasion and inspiring us with his vision and his blessings. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Harish Krishnan from Cisco and Mr. Shrikant Sinha, CEO NASSCOM Foundation, for having faith in us on our young and dynamic students, for providing this lab at IGT2W. I am sure that our students will give even more than the expectations you have from us. We are also thankful to our special guests of the dais, Mr. R.K. Pathak, Deputy Director General, DOT, Mr. Saurabh from Cisco, Mr. Chandrasekhar Raman from Cisco, Mr. Joshua from NASSCOM Foundation, Mr. Abhijit, Founder DeFi, Mr. Arvind, Founder and CEO Li2 Technology, Mr. Arko, and other esteemed guests for gracing the occasion and blessing us. Mantras for success delivered extempore are a dream come true. On behalf of the entire team, I thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Amita Dev. It was your passion, persuasion and hunger for the perfection in every aspect due to which we are able to complete the job without any hurdle. We require your continuous guidance, blessings and good wishes for us in all our future events also. Without the media, our event would have gone unsung and unknown. I want to convey our heartfelt thanks to the media persons, both print and electronics, for being present here, for giving an excellent coverage of this program. Deans and heads of the departments always give us their encouragement and support every venture of ours. Thank you all for being with us and making this function a success. You all would agree that the unstinting work of my colleagues, all the faculty members who became the perfect example of teamwork, cannot be forgotten. Thank you friends for being the perfect team. I am sure that this team is now an example for all at IGDQW. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. It requires meticulous planning and execution of an eye for details. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated admin people and staff members who know their job and are result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion to tasks beyond their comfort zone. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Guys, and I have the HODs and deans and registrar right in front to please join us. I invite you to join in the conference room for high tea. Students may please stay back for a while. We have tea for you outside as well. After tea, students can have interactive session with the Cisco and NASCOM people for about an hour, after which we have lunch arrangements for you. The faculties can proceed to the conference room, please. Thank you.
हाँ सर